just about a half hour, even an hour span, we saw rain, we saw grapple, we saw lightning.
Thunder and lightning.
That was kind of a precursor to what we're about to see.
That brought in the cold that's
right.
setting us up for the snow for today. Now the warm's going to come back for tomorrow, and getting to that warmer air is going to cause some problems. Snow is going to break out this afternoon. I've color-coded the time periods for the impact. So green, really not a lot of issue. And that's the way this morning will go. So let's cut to the chase. When the snow develops, it's going to be at light in the early to mid-afternoon. And it starts to pick up late in the afternoon or early evening further to the northeast. So I think it's the evening where the roads turn red here. You're going to have to use a lot of caution with the snow and sleet for most of central New York. As we go through the overnight, sleet and freezing rain. So icy roads tomorrow morning. Now by tomorrow morning, we may see temperatures go above freezing and just plain old rain in a lot of central New York. But the residual effects of that glazing of ice on top of the snow, the roads probably are going to be hampered for travel for the morning commute tomorrow before they improve. Now the good thing is schools are off, at least the elementary and high schools. Students, maybe not colleges, but they are off. So there'll be a little less people on the roadways, people taking the winter break, and winter for sure coming in. And then as we get towards midday, drizzle, mid-30s, possibly upper 30s late in the day tomorrow. So the roads will melt off any of that ice. So let's look at the next weather maker. It's a low pressure system that's just moved out of the Rockies into the plain states. And you can see all the rainfall here. But remember, we've got some chillier air in place, mostly cloudy, dry. And so we get the light snow showers and snow. And this is the batch of precipitation that could give us some heavy snow towards the early evening. So let's time it out with our Futurecast. Then we'll get you both of those ice and snow accumulation maps. Thickening clouds during the midday, but likely still dry. Here's the first batch of the light snow showers around the Genesee River Valley, Rochester, down towards Elmira, and that spreads in during the early to mid-afternoon. The heavier snow being found by 3 or 4 o'clock in the southwestern Finger Lakes. And actually, they'll have less impact when you get down to the southwestern Finger Lakes because it doesn't last as long. The heavier impact should be to the north of Onondaga County. The snow, the sleet and freezing rain, it's going to hold on a little bit tougher with colder temperatures up here. So we'll be right around freezing. We may drop to 31 this evening, and then temperatures rise to 32 or 33 by tomorrow morning. Here's the sleet and freezing rain coming in late evening through the overnight. By tomorrow morning's commute, we'll be above freezing likely in Syracuse, and the precipitation tapers. It becomes just a lighter drizzle. So the roads still a little bit messy out there, especially those less traveled and treated with chemicals. It's colder up to the north, still some residual flurries and some patches of freezing drizzle. With just drizzle and light here, our roads get better as we top out at 38 tomorrow evening. Now Friday morning, we'll get some lake effect snow showers and some wind, gusts to 40 miles per hour, and plummeting temperatures then. So as the temperatures go up, the snow comes down. I'm thinking 3-4 inches in Syracuse. There could be some spots with only 2 inches down here and possibly 6 inches up to the north and northeast of Onondaga County, even more in the north country there in the white. And as far as the icing goes, it should be a light glazing in Syracuse, but as you get to the northeast, north and northwest of Syracuse area, we could find over 1/10 of an inch of ice with more serious icing threats in western New York and the Adirondacks. So tomorrow 38, that's late day, icy early, then some light drizzle. Morning snow showers, scattered flurries in the afternoon and evening on Friday. It's windy and much colder as we drop into the middle teens and then single digits at night. Saturday morning dry, then some afternoon snow showers going into Sunday when temperatures rebound. Abby?
Mike, thank you. Now let's take a look at our Capture CNY picture of the day.